Hello everybody, welcome to Highlight Craft's launch of our new Spooky Street, and these are our Wibblers. Now, for some of you who may or may not know, Halloween is kind of like high up there on my radar. I absolutely adore it. I love the fact that it's super fun and it gets all the kids involved, even the big kids like me. I love it because there's candy canes and everything involved. Now, these characters we've brought you, our lovely new Wibblers, are brilliant. Now, David has even said we've got his favourites. We just love these. So I want to share with you the first sample I'm going to show you is just brilliant. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. But first of all, just a minute, I've got to switch the lights on. Can't look yet, it's a secret. I think I've put the lights on. Have I got the lights on? I can't put the lights. Yes, the lights are on. Lights are on. Are we ready? Look. Oh my days. Look at that. Isn't that just the best thing you've ever seen? Look at him. Oh my goodness, look at all these characters. Look at the house, how it opens up. So we've got the houses on here. We've got our lovely witch. We've got our skelly bones. We've got our little ghosts. Isn't that just the best thing ever? The scenes you're also getting, it is phenomenal. We've even, look, our lovely Kath. This is just like spectacular, Kath. Look, we've even got cobwebs and everything on this. It is one of the best samples I have seen forever. I'm adoring this. I've got my eye on this, that it's coming to live at my house. It's brilliant, absolutely stunning. So these are the characters, and this is what you're going to be able to create when you're using Spooky Street. Incredible, love that. I'm gonna have to leave that to one side just so I get the benefit of having been able to look at that bit selfish, I know, but there we go. So let's introduce you to the characters. Look, aren't these incredible? Love them. So here we have our three characters. I want to get so these are our Wibblers, and they're just our Halloween Wibblers. So we have our lovely little pumpkin man, we've got our lovely little witch, and we've got our lovely little mummy that's all wrapped up in bandages, okay? Love the artwork again for this. Just phenomenal, isn't it? The colour on it is spectacular, and it's going to work incredibly well with your pumpkins that are from the other collection that we've launched. Our pumpkin patch will look amazing. So there are little Wibblers characters. So when you've got a little witch, you need a broom, don't you? Well, we're not giving you one, we're giving you three different sized brooms, and you can stack them all up as if they've been parked. Okay, got a little stack of brooms all ready for their owners to come along. That one is called our broomstick. Look who we have here. Now, we'll let you into a secret. These are some of David's favourites. He loves these characters. He especially loves the ghost because his socks are falling down. He's got his leg warmers on. How incredible is he? Stripy tights, leg warmers, and one's like slipping down a little bit. Brilliant. But you don't have to use him like that. Chop those off and he's just a little ghost. Isn't that just adorable? So that is our autumn harvest. Then you've got to have a spooky house when you have Halloween, haven't you? Now, I do know there are additional colourways as well for this. So it's not just a green light. There are different light colour hues that come through from the lights as well. Print those onto acetate or vellum so you can actually put lights behind them and have the light shining. Would look incredible. So, and then this is what you can make with that lovely little character. Okay, so I've chopped the legs off. No ghosts were hurt in the making of this particular one. Chopped his legs off and he's flying on the broom. Of course he's flying on the broom. Then we've got our lovely little witchy friends that are coming for the trick-or-treating. Here's the gateway. We've got people already waiting. I've even snipped into the house. Now, I've put an image within an image here, and how I've separated it is I've put a border around one to separate it and split it off. So this is the A4 version and this is the A5 version to split them away from each other, okay? So you've got the house in the background, you've got the house, and then I've added the spooky houses in, cut into them and decoupage them up, because even if they are nested shapes, you can still cut into them and create decoupage. And then, of course, we've got our fabulous little characters. And I just love this collection, as you can probably tell. Now, not only when you get our lovely dies, you are also going to get those incredible SVG files to work with, of course, your Brother Scan and Cut, which is our favourite machine here. For our machine. It's our favourite one. Well, it's Mel's favourite one, but we all kind of use it as well. It's, you know. So again, 3 different sizes as usual. You're going to get your original size, which is the die size, and then you'll get 2 additional sizes. Not only do you get the 2 additional sizes, but in all 3 sizes, you are going to get reversed reflection and decoupage. So the machine does all the cutting out while you're doing all the creativity. Now, because you're getting those different sizes, you're going to be able to make different projects because you've got a lot more versatility to be able to create with. And I love using all of the elements together. So not only do I use the dies, the SVG files, but also we use the MCS as well. So with the SVG files below, there will be a link, because I know we have some fabulous crafty friends that join us new all of the time to be able to get you going. So if you're a little bit unsure about cutting out your reflections and your SVG files, there's a link for you to click, and Mel will talk you through step by step how to group, align, scan in and cut your reflections. So this is our MCS. Let me have a lovely new clean piece of paper. That's how I must admit, I am still on this new road of adventure with MCS, Minecraft Studio. I adore Minecraft Studio now because of the versatility it gives me of creating the scenes that I want to use with my projects. Now, we've got Spooky Street, we have scene building, we have our reflections, we've got our digi-stamps, and of course we've got our scenes. Now, when I click on our scene building, you have got all of the incredible little characters, okay? So we've got everybody going on. We've got our lovely Skelly Bones. I really like him. We've got our lovely ghost with and without his, what did I call them? Leg warmers, because we've got a little bit of an issue with one going off here, which I think is hilarious. We've also got Jack's, here we are, lovely Jack. We've taken away Jack's pumpkin, so you've got an extra one. So now you can right-click, copy, right-click, paste, and you can have as many pumpkins in different sizes as you would like. Again, also you can resize all of your characters. I just adore Minecraft Studio. Not only, do you get scene building, you also get your reflections. Now, again, this is earlier when I was referring to the reflections of the houses. Okay, you've got the green, you have got that lovely warm yellow, and then you've also got that icy blue. So you're getting the different colourways when you get Minecraft Studio, as well as you also get the double-sided reflections. Now, I very often tell you when I come to this point that even though I print off my normal reflections on 250 GSM, I prefer to print off my reverse reflections, the double-sided, onto 140 GSM. Score along this black line, fold it in half, and when you pop that through your die cutting machine, you're actually cutting 280 GSM. But I feel it gives you a nice, softer, double-sided reflection than if you try and do it with your 250. It's my favourite way of doing it, so I always voice that's how I do that. In addition, of course, you're getting your digi-stamps, and I love how sketchy they are. So you can really make some very spooky booky. Let me have a got a little ghost, and we've got him. We'll have him flying in, of course. Oh, we can have him on the roof like that. There we go. There's our little spooky ghost. You could have him in the background as well. So this is, again, for you to be able to create maybe colouring books. I love being able to do this. And now one of my favourite things, and if I get a chance to do this, I'm absolutely going to do this. All of these characters, I've actually printed them off at 90%, I believe it is. I've taken them down a little bit and I've actually printed them off on just photocopy paper, and I've made a set of coasters that I'm going to use my pyrography tool for. So I'm going to have coasters of my spooky little characters, which I just love. And then we have got our scenes. So again, when we do something here, we always give you as much as we possibly can. Now the graphics, we've given you not only portrait, so you get the A5 in addition to that. You get portrait, then you get the landscape, and you also get the A5 landscape as well. So we give you as much printability and versatility as we possibly can. Now we've given you 38 different ones. We've got just the graveyard and the fence. We've got where it's a lot more colourful. We've given you more colour. We've taken it that we've got colour in the graveyard rather than it be the blue hue. And so this is where those different colour hues of the houses are going to come in, because you don't want the blue house with this background. You want the warmer toned house with this one. And then, of course, you've got the full on Halloween with the little pumpkin as well. So that is then just incredible. So you get your scene building, you get your reflections, digisamps, and also your scenes. So being able to create the projects for Halloween that look a bit like, I'm going to bring this in because I love it. I love this. Look at this. Do you know, getting this through the post, I mean, look at the imagery. So that's mcraft Studio. Okay, that is what you can do. That's what you can achieve with mcraft Studio. Isn't that just wonderful? Love him, little character. And I love the white space. Don't be scared of that white space, okay? So that has been toned down with the effects on mcraft Studio. Then when you open that up, isn't that just the best thing ever to receive? And that's going to be kept. You're going to put that out as a decoration year after year. In addition to that, the fun that you can have, look how incredible. That's the different colour house on this one, see? We've got the green, because we've got the green up here in the sky. So we've got that lovely green hue going off in the background. So we've got green glowing windows. There we've got our Jack, we've got that big pumpkin, and of course we've got that lovely little witch. And then of course she's got a little broomstick. Love this. But again, let me show you something. This is another one of my favourites. Now, just look at this. Now, this is the kind of things, this is why I love it when we bring you collections that are like this, because you can be making ornaments and decorations, but there's a little surprise in all of this, because not only is this an ornament and a decoration, it's also a gift box. So if I tip that up and show you, got a little secret pull here, look. So if I hold on to that and lift that up, it's got sweets inside. Isn't that just the best thing ever? Look, little eyes. So again, not only are you making card crafting, you are making keepsakes as well, because who wouldn't keep this as a keepsake? You absolutely would. You would get it out year in, year again, or give it as a gift. Just love it. So when we bring you these fun collections that are like this, the projects that you make are just fantastic. And not only just making them on your own, getting the family involved when you've got a collection like this. So thank you very much for joining me on this spooky street launch, along with my very spooky hair that we've got going on this week. And I've done it all special. It's for a reason. You'll see that later in the week. So we'll see you all real soon. Thank you for joining me. You take care. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.